Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. This is the DBE November 2024 last year question, calculus cubic graph question. Coordinates of A 1 and 9 and the coordinates of B 5 over 2 and 8 are the turning points of graph F below. C is the y-intercept of F. Y-intercept, these are the two turning points. So the first question says, for which values of x is f decreasing? So this is the first question. So identify the intervals where the function is decreasing. Now, math start left to right, increasing, 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 increasing till this turning point. From this turning point, decreasing, decreasing, decreasing till this turning point again, increasing, increasing, increasing. So the question says for which values of x f is decreasing. So the decreasing between A and B, between these two turning points, the f is decreasing. So the answer gonna be therefore, so the x value is 1 here and x value by the B is 5 over 2. So therefore between 1 and 5 over 2, so therefore between 1 and 5 over 2 the graph is decreasing. I told you whenever you talk about increase and decrease of the function, the turning points value are included. Second question, write down the x-intercept of first derivative. Now this is the second question. So must remember, by the turning points, we got two turning points. By the turning point, first derivative is equal to 0, and then we find the value of x. So you're looking now the x-intercept of the first derivative. Now obviously, so x-intercept y value is equal to 0. Now which mean the x value by the first turning point is 1, and by the second turning point B is 5 over 2. So the answer is gonna be, so therefore x-intercept of the first derivative will be x value 1 and y value 0, and second, by the second turning point x value 5 over 2, y value be equal to 0. Now the question number 9.3. He say for which value of x will f be concave up. So you're looking where the f is concave up. Understand concavity in a relation to the second derivative. A function f is concave up where its second derivative is positive, and function f is concave down where its second derivative is negative. Now we're looking concave up. Must remember, the point where the concavity change is called the point of inflection. So we need to find the point of inflection here. So to find the point of inflection, I'm going to take the midpoint of two turning point, then I can get the point of inflection. Point of inflection first of all. So point of inflection, x is equal to, I'm going to take the midpoint of two turning point, 1 plus 5 over 2 over 2. Remember the x value 1 here, and by the b x value 5 over 2. I take the midpoint of the two x value of the turning points. I use my calculator. Answer will be 7 over 4. So obviously 5 over 2 is here, which means this is a 2 comma 5, and the 1 is here, which is 1, and 7 over 4 is going to be 1 comma 75. That will be somewhere between these two, so somewhere here. So 7 over 4 is here. So this is our point of inflection. So now I can analyze the graph and then I can give answer. Here looking where is graph concave up. So the graph is concave down till the point of inflection. and the graph from the point of inflection concave up. So here looking the answer, you need to give the answer where f concave up. So the concave up, this is the graph concave up. So we need to give answer where x value, where the graph, where the f is concave up. So the x greater than 7/4, the graph is concave up. 9.4. Determine the value of k for which y is equal to f of x plus k will have 3 positive x-intercepts. So we're looking at 3 positive x-intercepts. I'm going to show you how to solve this question. First of all, must remember f of x plus k is equal to 0 because x-intercept y value is equal to 0. So the f of x positive k, I pull over this side, become negative k. Now, so y is equal to negative k, this is a vertical shift. The equation y is equal to f of x plus k represent a vertical shift of the graph. I'm going to draw the horizontal lines parallel to x-axis, y is equal to negative k. So, remember I told you we have to give the answer into the y value. So we got y-intercept here, and we got another y value 9, and we got another y value positive 8. So I'm going to draw the horizontal lines here now. So start from all these 3 y values, you need to draw the lines. So first I start from the top. And then you can draw by the y-intercept as well. There we go. Now, so these are the line y is equal to negative k, y is equal to negative k. So the y is equal to negative k, this is a horizontal line. Now, if you look by the turning point here, y value is 8, and by this turning point y value is 9, and here is y value is 7. Only we got 3 y value, and right now by here by 7 there is no positive x-intercept, but here you can see one positive x, got 2 positive x-intercept. One is here, and one is here, the second one is here, and at this turning point the second one on and the top, and by the maximum turning point there is 1 and also 2. Graph touch twice. This line touched the graph twice. So we're looking at 3 positive x-intercept. So where is gonna be a 3 positive x-intercepts? Obviously we cannot use these. So I'm gonna draw another horizontal line. Remember I told you in my previous videos that whenever he asks you 3 x-intercept, he can ask 2 positive, 1 negative, or he can ask 3 positive x-intercept. That always will be between 2 turning points. So between these 2 turning points I'm going to draw another horizontal line. Y is equal to negative k. Now you can see this line touch the graph thrice. 1 here, and 2, and 3. So we got 3 positive x-intercept. 1, 2, 3. So must remember that this is the y value. The y value is 7 here, and 8 is gonna be somewhere there, and the 9 is there. So the all the way y value, all the way y value same, all the way y value is same, all the way y value is same. By here this is the y value is 8 here, all the way here in this line y value is equal to 8. So between 8 and the 9, these 2 turning points, this horizontal line touch the graph thrice. So you can see this is 3 positive x-intercept. Why? Because This is the positive x-axis, this side is negative x-axis. Now the graph touch thrice, so we got the 3 positive x-intercepts. 1, 2, 3, because the line touched the graph thrice. So these are the 3 positive x-intercepts between 2 turning points. Always when he asks you about the 3 positive x-intercepts, or he asks you 2 positive and 1 negative, when he talk about 3 x-intercept, will always, you have to look always between the 2 turning points. So therefore between 8 and negative k till positive 9, we got 3 positive x-intercept. Now this negative, I divide both sides. This side I divide negative 1. The answer gonna be a negative 8. And when you divide by negative, inequality sign change, now become greater sign k. Also I'm gonna negative 1 divide by right hand side as well, become negative 9. Now I need to write in ascending order, small to big. So first small 9, negative 9 is small, and then I have to again change the inequality sign, small to big, less than k, less than negative 8. So the answer gonna be between negative 9 and negative 8. So this is my final answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.